So guys, this is a tutorial of how to fix your phone if its port is not working. You can't transfer your files to your computer, or if it's not charging. This is a simple guide how to fix your phone. So let's hop in the video and let's see if your phone charges or not. First job, bring your phone on the table and connect the charger. You can see this phone is basically not charging. If it was charging, it would have given a notification. Try to shake the charger a bit. If it's still not charging, then follow these steps to recover your phone. There are multiple problems when there is a phone which is not charging. So the first step, or the easiest step, remove the charger and take an old toothbrush. Take any kind of brush if you have, and the main motive is to clean the power socket. Sometimes there is dust that blocks the charger to give electricity to the phone. So our main motive is to charge the phone, so we have to clean in between these ports. If you don't have a toothbrush, you can use any sort of brush. Now by this step, if there is some dirt, it should clear, and now you should get a clean phone. Try charging it. If it's not charging, then the second step is possible for you. Next, if your phone is not charging, you can take this size of needle. This is the basic needle which we use for stitching anything. If you don't have, you can use a safety pin. So our main motive is to check if the charger is damaged or not. So you can see a minute charging piece is there. It doesn't matter USB Type-C, micro, anything. You just shake the charging port a bit. If it shakes, then there's a problem in your port. So you have to go to the professionals and fix it up. If it's not shaking, you have a chance or possibility that your phone might be charging soon. So this next step will definitely work out. Next step is to cleanse or clean the damaged port. You can use to clean it by using a thinner bottle, petrol or diesel. I recommend you to use petrol. You can take it even from a vehicle, but if you don't have petrol, you can use a thinner bottle. If you don't have that, you can use a nail polish remover also. We need very less amount of thinner in our experiment, so I'm gonna take very much less thinner in our experiment. If you want, you can just add more than 2 or 3 drops if you have a droplet, or you can just little bit spill some. I'm actually not even gonna take this much. Half of it, 2 or 4 drops. Here you go. Now it's time for cleaning. You can use a nice toothbrush because I like it. It cleans very much better than anything. If you want, you can use a paper piece or even an old brush if you have. Doesn't matter, any brush. It helps for cleaning the port mostly. So now we have cleaned the phone. So let's wait for 5 to 10 minutes until the petrol or thinner or whatever nail polish remover dries. So wait for at least 10 to 20 minutes after putting it in and brushing it. It will easily absorb the dust, the dirt, any electric circuit damages there. It would slightly recover. So let's wait until 5 or 10 minutes and then let's see the result. It's basically been 10 to 15 minutes after applying petrol to it. So I just hope it works. It should definitely work. Let's see. Okay, now let's see the result. I'm pretty much excited. You can see it's not charging. Okay, so pretty much you can see it's charging, so I'm pretty much happy. This way you can also charge your phone. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment down below, subscribe also, and please comment down below if your phone has charged or not. If it's not, you have to take it to the repair center. So this is a basic guide how to recover your phone if it's not charging. So please like, share, subscribe, comment down below. Let's see in the next video.